me! Oh no! They're eating me alive!
Come inside and play with me today. It's Michael's Magical Playhouse. Hi guys, let's do some of playhouse today. Whoa! It's a car! It looks cool. I'm gonna try driving it. I think it's a police car. Cool. I'm gonna use Magic to open it. Wow, look! That's so cool, it worked. Let's turn it on. Now let's turn this part on. Let's try it on this kind of floor.
Try the other button.
Look how fast it is!
That's a silly way to drive.
I love it! Now we're gonna do it in the dark. Whoa, look how cool it is in the dark! That's so cool. This is pretty cool. Now look at me.
Who's driving that car?
Daddy.
Daddy?
I'm gonna get you with it. Ready?
You can't get me now. You can't get me. There's no way to get me.
Oh, you can hit my knee. Bet you can't get me. Oh no, you kept me up. Oh, I escaped. Now I'll go this way. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Oh, you got my foot. Oh no. Get me. Here, drive it up, Daddy. Ready?
Can you drive it up, Daddy? It's a big ramp.
It keeps getting.
Here, drive over my knees. Ready? Oh, you did it. Oh, you got me. Oh no, you're gonna get my face. Oh, oh, it's right over my face.
Mom's been so my face.
Uh-oh.
Okay, Dad. Daddy, pretend you're sleeping.
Okay. Oh, what is it? There's spiders on me! Oh no! They're eating me alive! Oh, what is it? Must have been having a bad dream. Okay, back to sleep. What is it? It's a snake!
Daddy, is this from a police car?
Whew, you had me scared.
Oh, it's gonna drive over my face.
Got you too?
Yes. Da-da-da. Get off the police car! Yay! Da-da-da-da-da-da. Now, can you track the police car?
No, get me out of here! Oh no, I'm trapped! Somebody help me! I need backup! Oh yes, my escape!
Thanks for watching my video. Bye.